Hello, my name is Caroline and I work with SEAI. In this video, we're going to see how energy can change from one type of energy to another type of energy. We're going to do a quick experiment that tells us about the laws to do with energy. Science is made up of lots of different laws. You might know the law of gravity. Energy has lots of laws associated with it. The first law states that energy cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed, but it can change. We're going to use this basketball to find out more. When I put this ball on the ground, it can't do very much. But if I pick it up, let's pretend my body is a ruler. Down at my toes is 0, and up here at my shoulders is 10. I'm going to give this ball 10 parts of stored energy. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see what happens if I let the ball go. Will it bounce and come all the way back up to 10? Will it bounce and stay at 0? Or will it come back to somewhere in the middle? What do you think? Let's have a go. It came back to about 7. But wait a second, I gave the ball 10 parts of stored energy. What has happened the rest of the energy? Did it go missing? Was it destroyed? No. Remember, the law to do with energy states that energy cannot be destroyed. It must have changed. But what did it change into? Let's find out. I'm going to drop this ball again and I want all of you to close your eyes and raise your hand when you think the ball hits the floor. Let's try it. How did you know the ball hit the floor? Ah, you heard it. Well, sound is another type of energy. Some of the moving energy changed into sound energy. Let's see if we can find some more parts of energy. What would happen if I kept bouncing this ball up and down repeatedly? Eventually, the ball will start to get warm. This is due to heat energy. We can see this by rubbing our hands together. How do your hands feel? They feel warm because of friction. Try it yourself. What's happening in your hands? You're creating heat. The moving energy changes to heat energy due to friction. So, the 3 parts of energy were not lost. They changed. They changed into sound energy, heat energy, and vibrational energy. We know this because of the law to do with energy. It states that energy cannot be destroyed, but it can change from one type of energy to another type of energy. Where do we see this in everyday life? When you run around outside, you warm up. Your moving energy is changing to heat energy. Can you think of any other examples?